Hello viewers, I am Rajiv Barua, and I am a dedicated IELTS and PTE trainer with years of experience helping students achieve their desired scores. Today, we're diving into PTE speaking practice with some of the most common short questions and answers you'll face in the PTE exam. Let's get started. What do we call a person who studies history? Historian. What is the process of water turning into vapor called? Evaporation. Which instrument is used to measure temperature? Thermometer. What is the capital city of France? Paris. What do you call a doctor who treats teeth? Dentist. Which gas do plants absorb from the air? Carbon dioxide. Which gas do humans breathe in to survive? Oxygen. What is the red liquid that circulates in the body? Blood. How many legs does a spider have? 8. What is the currency of the United States? Dollar. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. What do bees produce? Honey. What do we call a person who writes books? Author. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Lion. What is H2O commonly known as? Water. What do you call the time before noon? AM. What is the opposite of hot? Cold. What is the square root of 16? 4. What shape has 3 sides? Triangle. What month comes after June? July. How many hours are there in a day? 24. Which color do you get when you mix red and yellow? Orange. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Mercury. How many continents are there? 7. Which organ pumps blood through the body? Heart. Where do penguins live? Antarctica. What is the study of the stars and planets called? Astronomy. What's the freezing point of water? 0 degrees Celsius. What is the main language spoken in Canada? English and French. Which ocean is the largest? Pacific. How many days are there in a leap year? 366. Which fruit is yellow and curved? Banana. What do you call a baby cat? Kitten. What season comes after winter? Spring. What color is a flamingo? Pink. What do cows drink? Water. Which shape has 4 equal sides? Square. What do you call someone who flies an airplane? Pilot. How many letters are in the English alphabet? 26. What part of the body do you hear with? Ear. Which bird is known for mimicking human speech? Parrot. Which is the smallest prime number? 2. Which country is famous for the pyramids? Egypt. What is 100 divided by 10? 10. What is the opposite of strong? Weak. What is a synonym for happy? Joyful. What device do you use to take photographs? Camera. What's the natural satellite of the Earth? Moon. What is the fastest land animal? Cheetah. What is the tallest mountain in the world? Mount Everest. Small Blue Diamond PTE short questions and answers, 51 to 100. How many wheels does a bicycle have? 2. What instrument tells you directions? Compass. What type of animal is a frog? Amphibian. Which insect has colorful wings and flies? Butterfly. What's the main ingredient in bread? Flour. How many centimeters are in a meter? 100. What do you call frozen water? Ice. What season is known for snow? Winter. What is the opposite of open? Close. How many days are in a week? 7. What is the capital of Japan? Tokyo. Which animal gives us wool? Sheep. What is Earth's only natural satellite? The moon. Which sense organ do you use to see? Eyes. What is the plural of child? Children. What device is used to call someone? Phone. What do you wear on your feet? Shoes. What is the largest mammal on Earth? Blue whale. Which animal is known to bark? Dog. What is the name of a female deer? Doe. How many players are on a soccer team? 11. What is used to cut paper? Scissors. What gas do we exhale? Carbon dioxide. Which animal lives in a den and roars? Lion. What food do pandas mostly eat? Bamboo. What's the opposite of tall? Short. How many minutes are there in an hour? 60. What kind of transport travels in the sky? Airplane. what do you call the top part of your body? Head, what unit is used to measure weight? Kilogram, what color is made by mixing blue and yellow? Green, what is the opposite of early? Late, which drink is made from milk and chocolate? Chocolate milk, what is the natural light during daytime? Sunlight, which part of the plant is under the soil? Roots, which pet says meow? Cat, what do you use to write on a blackboard? Chalk, what color is the sun? Yellow, which insect makes a buzzing sound and stings? Bee, what comes after Friday? Saturday. What type of animal is a shark? Fish, what do we use to see tiny things? Microscope, what does a thermometer measure? Temperature, what's the process of plants making food? Photosynthesis, what country is famous for pizza and pasta? Italy, what shape is a clock face usually? Circle, which continent is India in? Asia, what type of book tells a made-up story? Fiction, how many vowels are in the English alphabet? 5. What's the boiling point of water? 100 degrees Celsius. Here are a few tips to help you improve even more. Speak clearly and at a natural pace. Don't overthink. Short, direct answers are best. Practice listening with different accents. PTE uses global recordings. Use mock tests and repeat these exercises daily. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more PTE practice videos. Hello viewers, I am Rajib Barua, and I am a dedicated IELTS and PTE trainer with years of experience helping students achieve their desired scores. Today, we're diving into PTE Speaking.